What if an unexpected nationwide power surge takes out all your electronics, including your car, your phone, and your house is completely shut down due to an EMP surge? I'm going to share how to protect yourself from this. We incorporate EMP surge protectors into our military and survival shelters, but many of our customers may not be familiar with EMP weapons. To address this, we created an overview to shed light on why we install these protectors on our vehicles and utilize them in our EMP 72-hour packs. An electromagnetic pulse EMP weapon is designed to emit electromagnetic radiation, disrupting or damaging electronic systems across a wide area. This can potentially incapacitate electronic infrastructure, including communication systems, power grids, and various devices. Employing surge protectors for EMP protection is a standard precautionary measure, mitigating the impact of sudden voltage spikes on electronic equipment. Surge protectors act as a defense mechanism by redirecting excess voltage away from sensitive devices, safeguarding against harmful currents induced by EMPs. This is precisely why we offer EMP Proof 72-hour packs, ensuring the protection of crucial tools like ham radios, GPS systems, cell phones, and more. Many nations are rumored to have the potential to attack our nation with EMP weapons, as they are perceived as more tempting due to their ability to cripple us without causing extensive collateral damage, unlike nuclear or traditional weapons. Beyond nations, hackers and private contractors are also considered threats with the capability to disrupt our electronics. Additionally, natural occurrences like lightning storms pose risks of damaging electronics and disabling home breaker boxes. To safeguard against these threats, we recommend using our EMP Proof 72-hour backpacks to protect backup electronics. Another solution is EMP Shield, a company offering surge protectors that can be installed in your car engine or breaker box to prevent such disasters from harming your electronics. Even if an EMP surge doesn't occur, having a peace of mind and being fully prepared with our products ensures that you're secure and ready for any potential disaster. We appreciate your viewership and hope this information assists our subscribers in better preparing their families for the future.